This is the Ultimate Mortar Gun from Roughneck. Roughneck are a massive brand in the building and the construction industry, and this is one of their best-selling products. This really is the Ultimate Mortar Gun from Roughneck. Full aluminium cartridge, 15-inch length as well. It's got a 16:1 thrust ratio, 1 litre capacity. It'll take a multiple of products, so you can have mortar in there, grout. It'll even take cartridges, foil packed sausages and bulk material. It comes with 10 free nozzles, so anything you're doing, you've got the nozzle in there to suit the application or the gap required. And it's backed with a Roughneck 25-year guarantee as well. This really is a product for everybody's toolbox. It's a superb product from the Roughneck range. Visit your local store, try one out today.